Boots on the ground, putting it down. It's Mickey D with the Stock Scoop. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm out for the morning walk. This is my first morning walk since I got surgery and got out of the hospital. And it feels so good to be out here. I'm so blessed to be out here. I want to talk about the uranium squeeze-up history for a minute if I can. Make sure you hit like, share, subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. It's a new system. It's a new day out there for me, and I just want you guys to know that I'm there with you. Whether there's 5, 10, 15 of you, there's 15,000 of you. I'm there with you. You know, but the uranium squeeze-up history goes back a little way. Goes back to the Money Show in Las Vegas, one of the money shows a few years ago, which I coined the phrase. I told people like Tom Lee and John Nigerian, some of these people on CNBC, who I have a long history with, go way, way back to when they started seeing Jim Cramer. Jim Cramer was the only one that gave us any love when we picked IIPR real low, and it went up to almost $300, and we made a lot of money. A few years ago when the cannabis craze, it was 6 years ago or so, but we've been hitting stocks ever since then. But it goes back to then, and it was a time period when uranium was kind of on its back and it hadn't really done anything. And I told my audience, we're going to have my subscribers, we're going to have a real uranium squeeze. It was going to be a squeeze-up where the uranium was going to go up and it was going to decouple from the market as the market went down. And we may be in that time frame now, or we may not be in that time frame now. But we will see, ladies and gentlemen, as time goes on. But the history goes back to moi. And people are hating. They don't like the word. Because of its inventor, maybe. Whatever. Get over it. It's a squeeze-up that's getting ready to have. The squeeze-up is going to be around the world. It's going to be heard all over. Nobody's going to be able to deny it at all, and it's just going to be here, ladies and gentlemen. So when if you're thinking that the uranium squeeze-up, I'm sorry about the wind too, guys. Sorry about the wind. If you think the uranium squeeze-up is not going to be a big thing, it is. It's going to be a giant thing, ladies and gentlemen. As companies, Westinghouse is talking about a deal with Poland, right? And there are other companies. Look at China. China's announced they're going to do, more reactors, and they've got approval for more and more and more. So there's going to be millions and millions more of pounds of uranium needed throughout the world. So we'll see how it goes, ladies and gentlemen. The supply is a question mark. Supply is a question mark, but the demand is certainly growing around the country. So it's just a matter of not if, but when the uranium prices go up. And I will make that crystal clear. With the demand, unless something else comes along, this is going to go sky high. And our stocks are going to do very, very well. And that's what I want you to know, guys. So enjoy the volatility, and we'll see how it goes. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. If you're seeing this on the weekend, have a wonderful weekend. Take care.